In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT and Notion. First, let's get started by heading over to the Notion website. If you don't have it bookmarked yet, just type Notion.so into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a Login button. It's usually at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted to choose your preferred login method. Here, we'll use Google for convenience, so simply click the Google button. This action will direct you to the Google sign-in page. If you're already signed in through your browser, you might skip right ahead. Otherwise, select the Google account you want to use with Notion from the list or enter your credentials to proceed. With your Google account successfully linked, you're now within the Notion environment. Next up, we need to access the account settings. To do this, find the account settings option on the upper left corner of your Notion workspace. It's represented by a gear icon. Click on it. Once you've accessed the settings menu, look for the settings option. Click on it to open a new set of options. Here, we'll want to focus on the connection settings, so find and click on the Connections tab to continue. Now that you're in the Connections section, you'll see an option for Notion MCP. MCP stands for the Manage Connections page. Clicking here is where we'll find the necessary tools to integrate ChatGPT. Finally, within Notion MCP, locate the ChatGPT option. Clicking on this will initiate the connection process between Notion and ChatGPT. Follow any additional prompts or instructions that appear to finalize the link between these two powerful tools. Now, a few extra tips before we wrap up. Remember, always ensure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple Notion teams or personal projects. Double-check any permissions you grant during the connection process to make sure that everything aligns with your privacy preferences. Once ChatGPT is successfully connected, you can start exploring its potential within Notion to enhance your productivity and creativity. It can help generate ideas, write content, or even assist in project management tasks by leveraging its conversational AI capabilities within your Notion pages. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to linking ChatGPT with Notion. Making the most out of these technologies can create a more efficient workflow and provide innovative ways to tackle tasks. With ChatGPT's intuition and Notion's organizational tools, you're well on your way to a seamless, integrated digital workspace. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.